Are you tired of taking pills every day for your blood pressure? What if I told you there are natural ways to lower it, backed by science and easy to do at home? Welcome to Health Remedies Guide. If you're looking to manage your blood pressure naturally, you're in the right place. Today, we're sharing 5 effective and science-backed ways to do it without relying on medication. Tip 1. Eat more potassium-rich foods. First up, eat more potassium-rich foods. Potassium helps your kidneys flush out excess sodium, the main reason your blood pressure stays high. When sodium builds up, your body retains water, and that raises your blood pressure. But potassium acts like a natural diuretic and helps keep blood vessels relaxed. Here are some of the best potassium-packed foods: bananas, spinach, avocados, sweet potatoes, white beans, coconut water. Try adding them to your breakfast or smoothies. Just 1 banana or a handful of spinach can help balance sodium and support healthy blood pressure. Tip 2. Drink hibiscus tea daily. Hibiscus tea isn't just delicious. It contains anthocyanins and antioxidants that naturally relax your blood vessels. A study from the American Heart Association found that drinking 2 to 3 cups of hibiscus tea daily significantly lowered systolic blood pressure in pre-hypertensive adults. It works best when consumed daily and without added sugar. For a refreshing twist, try it iced with a slice of lemon. Note: if you're already on BP meds, check with your doctor before starting hibiscus tea regularly, as it can enhance their effects. Tip 3. Practice deep breathing or meditation. Stress is a silent killer and one of the biggest triggers for high blood pressure. But here's the good news: just 10 minutes of deep breathing can drop your BP almost instantly. Breathing exercises like the 4-7-8 method calm your nervous system, lower cortisol, and help your heart rate stabilize. Try this once in the morning and once before bed. Or even better, add a 5-minute guided meditation from YouTube daily. Over time, it rewires your stress response and keeps your BP in check. Tip 4. Add garlic to your diet. Garlic has been used for centuries, not just for flavor, but for healing. And yes, it can lower your blood pressure naturally. The active compound in garlic, called allicin, improves blood circulation and reduces stiffness in arteries. Studies show that raw or aged garlic extract can lower systolic BP by up to 10 millimeters of mercury. Add 1 to 2 raw garlic cloves to your meals, or take an odorless garlic supplement if you prefer. The benefits build up over time. Tip 5. Walk for 30 minutes a day. You don't need a gym membership to fight high blood pressure. A simple 30-minute brisk walk each day can make a huge difference. Walking improves heart health, reduces artery stiffness, and helps your body process insulin better, all of which support healthy BP. If you're short on time, even 3 10-minute walks a day can help. The key is consistency. Bonus tip: walk in the morning sunlight to boost your vitamin D levels, also good for heart health. Quick recap. Let's quickly recap the 5 natural ways to lower blood pressure. 1. Eat potassium-rich foods. 2. Drink hibiscus tea. 3. Practice deep breathing or meditation. 4. Add garlic to your meals. 5. Walk 30 minutes daily. These methods are safe, effective, and totally natural. If this helped you, give us a thumbs up and share it with someone you care about. Subscribe to Health Remedies Guide for more natural tips every week. Which of these tips are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments.